We've got a whole global money series coming, from hacks, how-tos, stories of incredible women, to simplifying what too often seems complicated just because of how it's communicated. Well, we're all here to change that. So for my first video, let's start here. Financial independence isn't for a certain kind of woman. It's for every woman who's ever said, I want control over my life again. Whether you're in Nairobi or New York, Manila, Ohio, or Madrid, maybe your past includes debt, divorce, job loss, or a country where women aren't always seen as decision makers. None of that disqualifies you. Here's something I wish more women were told. You don't have to wait for someone to give you opportunity. You can create one. Across the world, women are doing this every day. A teacher in Kenya starts tutoring online. A designer in Argentina sells templates on Etsy. A mom in the Philippines offers meal prep on weekends. A student in Morocco starts a virtual assistant gig. They're not waiting for permission. They're starting where they are, with what they have. Even $20 a week changes how you see yourself, because the moment you generate money, you stop being a bystander in your own story. Step 1. Every woman's first step is the same. Face what's real. Grab a notebook or your phone and write these 4 numbers down. What you earn each month, what you spend each month, what you owe, what you own. That's your money snapshot. It's your map. You can't fix what you don't face. And this step alone will instantly show you where your energy is leaking. Every financially independent woman I've met started here. Invest in your mind before your money. Learn how money moves, watch videos, read local finance blogs, join community groups that share resources. When you educate yourself, you become unshakable. No matter what your economy does, you can lose a job, a business, even your savings. But no one can take away what you understand. Commit to learning one small thing about money every week. Watch a video on interest or inflation. Learn how to budget for your income level. Study how women in your country build micro businesses. Education is the unbreakable asset behind every independent woman. Learn how to create money. Saving is safety, but creating income is freedom. You don't have to start a big business. You just need one income stream that you control. Here are 3 options that work anywhere in the world. Freelance your skills, offer writing, design, tutoring, local micro business, bake, teach, or resell products you already love. Digital side income. Create small digital products or teach what you know. If you can make even $50 a month from your own effort, you've just proven you can build more. That's the seed of independence. Now let's make your money work for you. Here's a system that works no matter your country or currency. 3 accounts. An income account, where all your income lands, whether that's PayPal, M-Pesa, cash, or crypto. A bills account, for essentials, rent, food, transport, family needs. A growth account for savings and small investments. Even $5 a month counts. If your country's banking system is limited, find trusted digital wallets or micro-investment platforms that let you participate. If you use cash, use envelopes or jars for the same categories. If you use digital wallets, label them clearly. This system stops the chaos and creates consistency, which is the real foundation of freedom. The world has tried to make women feel small about money. You are not your past. You are the woman who decided to change her story, and that's the most powerful choice you'll ever make. I'm Eva Leon, and your global money story starts here. Subscribe, share this with another woman, and drop any questions you have. We have so much incredible content coming your way.